Welcome back. We just did work on this page. Here's the next part. These are the last 2 pages in our book right now. I'm going to get started on this page looking at some work here. Bring that work down in front of you. On this page, we see important symbols that represent and show Native American communities. These were the first peoples that lived in the state of Washington. Some people will say First Nations, some people say Indigenous, some people say Native American. And these are some symbols that show different tribes or nations that lived in this land of Washington before people with my color skin arrived and named it Washington. The names of the tribes that are on this page: Yakima, Willapa, Salish, Puyallup, Makah, Quinault, Chinook, and Lummi. Take a look right now at the page, noticing different animal symbols. Maybe you're seeing faces. Maybe you're seeing symbols of nature, trees or water. These are some symbols that were important and are important to these communities. First Nations and Indigenous peoples still live here, and these are some of the communities and tribes that we're learning about today. I wanted to look at this one, the Yakima. Yakima is a tribe that lived and lives in eastern Washington. And right here, this symbol, that's an arrowhead shape. Yakima Nation. That's what that word says right there. The Yakima. And then, just wanting to look at the one below, Makah. This symbol is white, red, and black. It is a thunderbird. That's this animal here, which is one of the most powerful creatures in Native lore. That means Native storytelling or Native history. The thunderbird. So we looked at this one, the Yakima, tribe from eastern Washington, arrowhead. And then we looked at this one, the Makah. White, red, and black thunderbird, a very powerful and important creature in Native lore. Right now, with your pencil, please put a check mark next to the word Yakima, there, and a check mark next to the word Makah, right there, and that will help us to remember that these are 2 tribes or nations that we began to learn about today. And right now, let's read all of these again one more time. Yakima, Willapa, Salish, Puyallup, Makah, Quinault, Chinook, and Lummi. We'll continue learning about that. And right now, you can close up your book. Thanks for visiting Washington with me today. I'm happy that I got to work with you. Bye now.